Hey everyone, my name is Bob and I am the Marketing MacGyver. And in this video series, I'm showing you the basics of marketing automation. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at how marketing automation does what it does. Are you ready? Let's go. In the previous video, I talked about the why of marketing automation. And in today's video, I want to go a little bit deeper into the how. What exactly is in that giant toolbox, as I called it? And how does it work to do the thing it's supposed to do? Deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. And to do that, I will show you the anatomy of a typical marketing automation platform and explain to you how each part works together with the other parts to produce the results that we're after. But first, what is marketing automation software? And pretty much all of today's marketing automation software comes in the form of software as a service, or SaaS. It lives in the cloud, so you access it via your web browser. And after logging in, you typically land on a dashboard from where you can access all the various features that marketing automation has to offer. Now, I know I used the toolbox analogy before, but really, I like to think of marketing automation more as a factory or an office building, with different departments or machine parts all working together in an intricate process. So let's start by picturing our software package as a whole as the factory building and the individual features as its departments. Typically, most marketing automation software has the same set of basic functionalities. The first of these is a database to store your contacts in. Actually, most marketing automation software has a database that consists of at least two data objects. You've got your contacts, i.e. the people that you actually speak to, and you've got companies, which are the businesses that these people work at. And sometimes a third is added to the mix as well in the form of deals or opportunities. And you can arrange these contacts or accounts into lists or segments. And this is really one of those fancy selling points for marketing automation, as creating segments of your database is usually very easy with a user-friendly interface. Gone are the days where you have to hound somebody in IT to run an SQL query against your central database, waiting for days for them to produce the list that you're after. And segments can be used for a whole range of things, from simple monitoring and reporting to targeted emailing and advertising. And another flagship feature of marketing automation is the ability to score contacts in your database, a practice that we call lead scoring. Lead scoring is the process of assigning points to your contacts based on business rules that you specify to determine if they are fit for your business. Moving to the next department in our little factory, we arrive at the assets. Marketing automation lets you produce different assets for your digital presence. Commonly, we are talking about emails, landing pages, and forms. Email works like you'd expect from email marketing software. You build emails using a drag and drop editor, templates, or HTML code, and you send them to segments of your database. Landing pages are simple web pages designed to trigger a conversion. You typically create them just like emails, and they live on a subdomain next to your existing website. The point is not to run your entire website from your marketing automation software, but to create separate funnels of pages that your visitors go through to complete certain actions, like downloading a white paper, subscribing to your newsletter, or getting in touch with your business. Forms, lastly, live on these landing pages and help you gather information from your visitors. Typically, you'll want to offer some valuable piece of content and in return, ask for some information of the person interested in it, such as their name, email address, or business name. The database and assets departments work together to personalize your communication. For example, you can use contact details to personalize the email opening, or even change entire email or landing page contents based on, for example, the industry that your contact works in. Personalization also works with forms by pre-filling known data and progressively asking for new information. The third department I'll call automation, and it's another one of those that speaks to the imagination of many a marketeer. It's of course where marketing automation gets its name from. The automation department combines input from the database and the asset department, letting you automate a whole bunch of marketing processes based on an equally large collection of triggers. These can be as simple as sending your contacts a birthday card when today equals the date of their birth, or as complex as a fully personalized follow-up process after submitting a form. And we're talking about more than just automatically sending email here. You can automatically set contact properties to a certain value when certain criteria are met, which in turn can trigger another automation. You can use decision steps to send contacts down one path instead of another. You can change lead score or notify a salesperson when a contact meets certain criteria. To summarize, you can automate your entire marketing, hence marketing automation. And supporting these three departments is the tracking script department. The tracking script is a piece of code that the software provides you with on setup. You install this code on your commercial website, and the script will then track the behavior of your visitors, most notably which pages they visited, and store that information in your database. This behavioral information can be used to populate segments, score leads, personalize emails, trigger automations, and a whole lot more. One of marketing automation's strong points is its potential to bridge the traditional gap between sales and marketing and help you create the 360-degree view of your customer. The responsibility for this lies with the integration department, and its most obvious task is connecting to your business's CRM. This connection ends the need for manual list imports and exports and makes sure that data in both systems is always up to date. And furthermore, it can speed up your sales cycle considerably. Consider an automation that, when a contact meets a certain lead score, sends that contact to the CRM, assigns it to and notifies the correct salesperson, and offers the salesperson an overview of that contact's history with your digital marketing assets, such as the pages that they visited, the downloads that they performed, and so on. And any updated information from the CRM system is fed back into the marketing automation software as well. This allows you, for example, to trigger automated follow-up campaigns for leads that need more nurturing, or start onboarding or loyalty campaigns for newly acquired customers. Lastly, marketing automation has a reporting department. Here you can monitor the performance of each of the other departments through standardized and sometimes customizable reports. And the holy grail of these reports is what I refer to as the closed loop report. This report uses data from all other departments to allow you to trace a closed deal from the CRM all the way back to the first touch point of the associated contact. Obviously, this is the information you want to have as a marketing manager, as it helps you determine where to put your money in for the best results. And there you have it, an overview of the basic marketing automation infrastructure. And while each marketing automation vendor will have its own unique processes and methods, I can guarantee you that you will find these basic functionalities in all of them. It is, after all, what defines marketing automation. And one last note on this overview. I hope you can appreciate that, just like in a real business or factory, having all these tools and functionalities means nothing if you don't know how to use them. Marketing automation software is useless without a well thought out inbound marketing strategy. If you want to know all about what a good inbound marketing strategy looks like and how you can set one up, I recommend that you watch my video series on that subject. The link for it is in the description. And with that, we end this video. In the next videos, we're going to take a close look at each of these parts and I'll explain to you exactly how they work. I hope to see you there. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it and took away something of value from it. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button on the bottom left. And if you want to see more about marketing and marketing automation, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. If you have any questions about marketing or marketing automation, please don't hesitate to ask a question and just leave a comment below. I will always reply to those. I hope to see you in the next video.